Hey guys, before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and meditate, focus on our breathing. So sit up straight with your feet flat on the ground and your head right above your shoulders, shoulders right above your hips, and gently close your eyes and your hands can be placed gently on your thighs, either palms down, or you can rest them on your thighs, palms up, with your forefinger and thumb touching in an OK sign. And take a deep breath in through your nose, nice and slowly. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. On your next inhale through your nose, see if you can hear the breath in the back of your throat, making a sort of Darth Vader sound. And exhale slowly through your nose, seeing if you can hear that same audible breath, that Darth Vader sound in the back of your throat. Inhale deeply, sending the breath to any parts of your body that are feeling a little tense or a little tight. And exhale slowly and completely, feeling that tension release. One last deep inhale. Feel your chest rising, your spine lengthening. Relax your shoulders and your neck and your hips. Hold the breath for a few seconds at the top. And then see how slowly you can exhale through your nose, savoring that breath, feeling your body relax, feeling the space in your spine, and gently open your eyes. This multiple choice math problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 3 of the SAT test, which does not allow calculators. And the question says, when 4 times the number x is added to 12, the result is 8. What number results when 2 times x is added to 7? So give this problem a try, see what you can do. It's okay if you're not sure how to approach it. You can always just take a guess. And then after a minute or so, we'll have a look at it together. Okay, let's have a look at this. So, spoiler alert, this problem is written to see if they can trick you into thinking that you are done prematurely. So let's work through this together. The information in the first sentence will allow us to write an equation using x as the unknown number. So let's go ahead and set up that equation. We know that 4x can represent 4 times the number. And we know that when we add 12 to that, we get 8. So we'll go ahead and just solve this as we normally would by isolating the x. So we're going to subtract 12 from both sides, and we have 4x equals -4. And then how about if we go ahead and divide both sides by 4? And I would end up with x equals -1. And you might think, this is great. -1 is a choice. But hold on. Notice that they aren't asking about what the value of x is. The last part of the problem is asking about a different value. They put -1 in there to see if they could trick us into thinking that we're done. Because usually in math class, when we solve for x and we find its value, that's usually the end. But notice that this question is asking us for more than that. So we want to make sure that we're not stopping once we find the value of x. So they're asking what number results when 2 times x is added to 7. So 2 times x is going to be 2 times -1. And they want to know what the value is when I add 7 to that. So that's -2 plus 7, which is 5. And you'll notice at that point that 5 is this answer. So we had an extra step to go. This is pretty straightforward. You probably were able to work through this on your own, but it's a very good reminder to us that once we're excited about finding an answer, go back and look at the question and make sure that the answer that we found is answering the question that they asked. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy, and if you have any questions or any suggestions or requests, please leave them in the comments below. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they become available. I enjoyed working together, and I'll see you next time.